Successfully, we have completed sign up process of Razorpay. Now in this lecture, we are going to create a Razorpay instance. For that, open editor and first inside this root, I'm just going to install Razorpay. For that, open Google and just type Razorpay test mode and then click on this link test and live modes. Inside this documentation, we are having these payments. Just scroll down. Here we are having this payment gateway. Just open and inside this we are having server integration. Click on this and now we have to select Node.js. And inside this we are having three options. I'm just going to click on this prerequisites. Again, let me tell you, inside this payments, we are having payment gateway. Inside that, we have server integration. We are using Node.js, open Node.js and click on this prerequisites. Scroll down and first thing we have to do is install this Razorpay. Copy, come to editor, open terminal and inside this root, I'm just going to install Razorpay. npm I Razorpay. Now package is installed successfully. Inside root, I will open package.json and here you can see I am having this Razorpay entry. Now from backend, I will just open this config.env. Inside this, I have already pasted some sensitive data, so I will not be showing. But here, I will be creating variable for Razorpay API key. Razorpay API key is equal to, then I will be creating Razorpay API secret. Okay, in this way, I will be creating these two variables and I hope from Razorpay you have already downloaded this API key and API secret key. And whatever values you will be having in CSV file, exact same values you have to paste it here. And while pasting, you should not be wrapping in single quotes or double quotes. I will be pasting my values and I will be removing the space and then I will close this file. After that, inside this backend, I'm just going to open app.js. Below this, I'm just going to import this .env package. .env from .env. So in this way, I'm just importing the package. I will scroll down. Here we are having route and using this, we are handling the errors. Now below this, I'm just going to give path of my config.env. So here I will be passing .env. From there, I'm just going to access this config and inside this, I will be passing the path property where I have to specify path of my config.env. So it is present inside backend folder. Inside that, I am having config folder and inside config, I am having config.env. Okay, in this way, we have to specify the path. Now you can see inside backend, I am having config folder. Inside that, I am having config.env. After giving this inside app.js, open server.js. Now inside this, we have to import Razorpay. So here, I will be writing import Razorpay from Razorpay. So in this way, we are just going to import Razorpay. And here while importing, we should be having capital R. Now save this, come to documentation and inside this prerequisite, we have installed this Razorpay. Now click on this integration steps, scroll down and here we are having this Node.js checkout code. Later on, we will come to this, but scroll down and here you can see we are having Razorpay instance. So this exact same thing I will copy. Okay, you don't have to copy this. Directly copy this instance and inside server.js below this I'm just going to paste that code. Now we will not be using var. Instead, I will be passing const And this instance we will be using in other files. So here I will be writing export. We don't have to change anything. I do not need any headers, so I'm just going to remove. Now inside this you can see we are having key ID and we are having key secret properties, and inside this whatever variables we have created in config.env, that variables we have to access, and whatever values we are having, that will be assigned to these properties. So here I will be writing process.env.razorpay API key. For key ID, we have created this variable. So I'm just going to pass exact same thing copy. Inside this, I will be pasting, and here I will be writing API secret. Exact same variable which you have created in config.env. In this way, we are just going to access. This is how we are going to create Razorpay instance. Inside config.env, we will be pasting our API key and API secret key. Inside app.js, we will be including this part, and inside server.js, we are just going to import this Razorpay, and then we are just creating this instance.